My original intent was to focus on iCivcs as the tool with my professional learning for my teachers. However, one of the things that has come to light is that many of our teachers assumed that we would never touch Canvas again after the pandemic. That expanded this entire professional learning series to help our teachers see the value of Nearpod and Pear Deck and how they can use it to engage their students, but also how they can use it with external tools. And in this case, we used iCivic. I have a lesson here that focuses on the structure of Nearpod and highlights the features and demonstrates in videos and step-by-step directions and how to work with that tool. I really try to focus on the means for differentiation and expanded opportunities for our students. The next thing that we focused on was going to Nearpod and Pear Deck and finding lessons that actually had already been created, and in this case, add to an already existing document. I showed them how to embed Nearpods and Pear Decks. The nice thing with these Nearpods is for teachers that are a little uncomfortable moving forward, it still uses some traditional worksheets or traditional materials, but allows them to also add their own much more engaging opportunities and discussions with students. What I really wanted to focus on with iCivcs, however, was the opportunity for students to play games, and that the very act of playing these games could be used as an assessment for our students, that they could scaffold them in such a way that the knowledge built on itself, and that there were ways that they could do these games either as individuals or as teams in class, and that this would allow our students to engage with each other, to communicate, to collaborate, and to apply those critical thinking skills. So often in social studies, we gain knowledge, but we don't really have a great way to apply that knowledge. I showed the teachers how to build tables and embed buttons, and these are live links. And then finally, I demonstrated how to take a document that they were familiar with, and in this case, we took a Google slide and we created the assignment as an annotation assignment. And this is a low stakes means of our students utilizing the annotation tool and teachers becoming familiar with it on their end. So this was professional learning for our teachers. Some of them will take this lesson as it is, and some of them took the opportunity to take the knowledge about iCivics and create a more US history-based lesson. And they participated in a discussion in the discussion board, because after our professional learning, that's what we're doing in the hopes that that carries forward to our students. So again, this lesson included embedding, it included Nearpod, but the tool that I'm really highlighting here is this iCivcs. And this tool can easily be embedded directly into Canvas.